Coming to the next step, we have already seen how to give encoding. Now, very important step, in the fourth step, we have to set the working directory. You can do this in the beginning as well. I'm just doing it now. So I'm just selecting one particular directory for my analysis. So you can do that using this option. You can just go to files. Okay, you can go to files and you can select this directory over here. So I am selecting my preferred file. You can select your own. So I am just going for R conjoint, which is a separate data set which I have found. I'm just trying to save with the folder name R conjoint. So you can select that folder and you can select open, so that your particular working directory will be open. So after that, you go to the more and set this as working directory. You can do that using code as well. I have just shown you how to do it in RStudio. Let us come back to the codes. So after that, what you can do is you can write these both conjoint cards. Orthogonal design, you generated 25 combinations, so you can save that in XLS format. So first I'm save the orthogonal design XLS file. Okay, so I'm writing that. If you give this command, it will save in the working directory which you which you have set recently. So I'm writing this command, write.xls. Orthogonal design is nothing but the design of orthogonal design which you created here, and comma file is equal to, you can name your file to save. Okay, so that is how you can save. So this is saving in Excel. You can cross check here this working directory, it will be saved, and then save the encoded orthogonal design which you have given coding here using CA encoded design. So that code you are trying to save here. So write.xls, the name of that file of encoded was, I have given code, so that is the code here, and file is equal to encoded.xls. I am naming it as, and don't forget to put XLS. Okay, that format we have to properly give it. Okay, so write XLS and run it. These both files will be saved in the working directory which you have set earlier. So you can go and cross check there. So moving on to the step 5.